Have you accidentally deleted your photos, or have they just disappeared from your SD card? If so, I've got some great news for you. I've been there myself. As someone who takes a lot of photos and videos on the go, I've lost files more times than I can count. I've tried every method to get my lost data back, and the only tool that worked consistently is a professional data recovery software. Before we start the recovery process, there are 3 quick and important things that we need to do. If you accidentally deleted or formatted your SD card, you need to stop using it right away. Any new file written on it could overwrite the old data that we're trying to recover. Take your SD card out of your camera, phone, or device. This prevents anything new from being saved to it by mistake. Insert your SD card into your computer using a reliable reader. This ensures a stable connection for recovery. To bring your photos back, you'll need a powerful recovery software. My top recommendation is Wondershare Recoverit. Recoverit scans your SD card deeply and shows you exactly which photos and videos are actually able to be recovered. It works for both Mac and Windows, and it supports all popular image formats like JPEG, PNG, RAW, CR2, and more. Let's go step by step. Download and install Wondershare Recoverit, which is linked in the description of this video. Launch the software and select your SD card from the drive list. Click Start and it will start scanning. Now you can preview the files that are found. This will be pictures, videos, and documents. Then you can click Recover to save them to a safe location. Here are some important tips during recovery. Don't save recovered files back to the same SD card. Choose a different location, like your desktop or an external drive. Use the preview feature to make sure you're recovering the right file. Recoverit organizes the results into 3 main categories: deleted or lost. These are files removed or formatted. Reconstructed. These are files built by a signature scan. And existing, which are files that are still intact but hidden. You'll also see a recovery chance indicator, which tells you how likely it is that a file can be fully restored. Plus, Recoverit gives you a preview of the file, even if the name was lost. If you're overwhelmed with files, use Recoverit's smart filters. You can search by file type, date, or size to find exactly what you need. Once you've selected your files, click Recover and save them to a safe location on your computer. Do not save them back to the same SD card. Double check your recovered photos, verify that they open, and rename them if needed. Then they'll be ready to use again just like before. And here are some quick tips to avoid photo loss next time. Back up your SD card regularly. Always eject it safely before removal. Avoid editing or saving directly from the card. Use a high-quality brand name SD card. Format SD cards in your camera, not via your computer. So that's how you can recover deleted or lost photos from an SD card using Wondershare Recoverit. It's easy, safe, and works on both Windows and Mac. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more data recovery tutorials. And check the description for the Recoverit download link.